Cost Codes, Part 2, Replacing Cost Codes. In this video, we'll explain how to replace cost codes in IntelliBid so that they are easier to modify and match the cost codes shown in your accounting software. To begin, go to the left sidebar and click Maintenance, and then click the Item sub-option. When the prompt appears, click OK. Next, go to the bottom right of the Item Maintenance window and click the Cost Code button. The cost code abbreviation window will appear. In that window, click the Replace button located at the bottom left. The Replace Cost Codes window will appear. When it comes to replacing cost codes, you have 4 replacement options: replacing the entire database, replacing the current database, replace the current category, or replacing the current header. In this example, we'll replace the branch cost code with the feeder cost code. However, we only want to replace this for sizes that are 1 1/4 inch, so I'll type that into the Replace Filter section's Size field. We might want to narrow it down further and only replace for PVC, so we'll select that option from the Subtotal drop-down field. Once those changes are made, we click the Close button. We'll be returned to the cost code abbreviation window, where we then click the Apply button to commit the changes, which will be reflected in your database. Thanks for watching this Conest tip video. Like this video and subscribe to our channel to get more tips and to keep up to date with Conest software systems.